Hello, this is the Mario and Toad Adventures! Yeah! Episode 1, Koopa Troopa. Hello, Toad. Have you seen Luigi? No, Mario. Alright, bye-bye. Where's he going? Ah! It's a red Koopa Troopa. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Bye-bye. Ah! Stupid Koopa Troopa. You are strong to me. Hey, you're on me. You're on me. You're on you. You're on me. Ah. So I'm a small. I'm gonna eat the mushroom. I'm a small again. I'm gonna eat another mushroom. Toad, come here. Well, I'm gonna take a nap. This Koopa Troopa is being a meanie. Yay! Koopa Troopa down. Okay, okie dokie. By the way, have you seen Luigi? No, Mario. Okay, bye-bye.